Perry Gotell. This is Georgetown Royalty. It's beautiful here. My name of my company is Tranquility Cove Adventures. Mainly we operate in the summertime, offering people some cool stuff, but we decided to get into winter tourism, and we're really aiming at small groups or even medium-sized groups, and we're doing an oyster tonging adventure out on the Brood now on the ice. Pretty cool. We take groups out on the ice. We have a chainsaw, big bar on it for thick ice. We cut a hole in the ice. We have 3 sets of tongs, anywhere from 6 feet, 7 feet, 8 feet, and we get you to tong actually right down on the bottom, and you're trying to tong up these oysters. We have an oyster lease here in front of the house. It's a private lease, and we're going to get you to do the work. Get the oysters up, we clean them off, and we shuck them, you eat them. You get a little bit of heat. You can do it a couple of ways. You can pick in the little shed we have, or you can tong right out on the ice. So it's something different. We're trying to offer people that visit Prince Edward Island a unique experience. So when they go home, they're not saying they did the same old thing. This is very unique. It's likely the first in the world to offer this. You know, Prince Edward Island is known for the seafood that we have here. Aquaculture is a big part of it. The mussels, the oysters, the clams. But in the winter time to come and to do this is very unique. You're likely going to get oysters fresher than you ever imagined. There's no way anybody offers a fresher oyster than we do. You're taking it right off the ocean floor, onto the table, cleaning it and shucking it. The oyster might be out of the water 5 minutes. Like, that's unheard of, you know. So we're taking freshness to a whole new level. And PEI is famous for it now, but this is likely going to be the best you're going to see. I'm very fortunate to partner with Meetings Conventions Prince Edward Island, and I think that we're a perfect fit for each other. We've always been partnering over the years, but I think for groups coming to Prince Edward Island looking for a unique event outside of their meeting, Meetings Conventions will hook you up with me. This is a beautiful, cool day today. We just got off the ice, and as long as you dress warm and we keep you busy, you're really going to enjoy being outside in a day like this. Yeah, it's pretty amazing.